It is the new and easiest way to fix trial theme. Go to File or Theme Store and select Theme. If you select Theme from File, follow this. Long press on Theme File and share with Theme Store. Press Free Trial for Apply. Theme is successfully applied. Go to Menu. Search Theme Store. Long press on Theme Store. Select Info. Manage Notifications. Disallow. Back to Previous. Permissions. Disallow. Storage usage. Clear data. Display over other apps. Disallow. Open by default. Disallow. Pause app activity if unused. Disallow. Your work almost done. Just go back and restart phone. Mind it that. Do not allow Theme Store permissions. If you allowed, you have to do this again. Thanks for stay with us. Do subscribe also.